Hi everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the third Sudoku of today's newspaper, May the 9th on Saturday. This one is a 4-star Sudoku, so it will be a tough one if it's solved more than in 30 minutes. Longer than 30 minutes, so if I solve this within 50 minutes or 20 minutes, it's okay, but if it's longer than 30 minutes, then it will be a tough one. Okay, so let's get started with this 4 stars Sudoku. Alright, let me see. A 3 in the first row, a 3 in the third row. So in the second row, sorry for the sneezing, apologies. 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the second row, the only two places for a 3 should be here or there, but I see here 3. No 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So in the second column, the column between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 3. I need to wait. How about the number 5 in this big square. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. There are 5. No 5 in those two boxes. One box left for the 5 should be here. In the last column, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have an 8 here, so no 8 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. I see here an 8, so no 8 there. 8 should be here. Then a 9 in the first row, a 9 in the third row. So in the row between, the only place for the 9 should be here. How about these 3 numbers in the second row? One of the missing numbers is a 5. I see here 5. No 5 in this box. There are 5. No 5 in that box. One box left for the 5. Should be here. Then we have a 5 in the last column, 5 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Five in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so in the column next, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. En all de 5s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. Can I do something with the 8? No. Yes, no. The 9 in the third column, the 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9. No 9 there, 9 should be here. Let me see. A 6 in the third column, a 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. I need to drink something. Look, this is the tea. Sorry for the interruption. Talk too much, alright. 104. Alright. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only place for the 8 should be here. We have a pair here in this big square. Look, we have an 8 and a 3. And there also 8 and a 3. So in this big square, no 8 and a 3 in this column. No 8 and a 3 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 and the 3 should be here or should be there as a pair. I mark this. Easier to remember. 8 and the 3. Alright. That means the other 3 numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 7 is missing, and the 6 is missing. I see here 7, so no 7 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be here. The 6 and the 4 are missing. We have a 6 there, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Then in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. I see here 4. No 4 in those 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be this one. These 3 missing numbers in this row. One of the missing number is a 9. I see here 9. No 9 there. Here 9. No 9 there. 1 place left for the 9 should be here. 2 boxes left for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so in the column between, the only two places for the 9 should be here or there, but I see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. And then, how about... These two boxes, the missing numbers are the 1 and the 2. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. These three numbers in this big square for the numbers 2, 8, and 7. 2, 7, and 8 in this big square. The missing numbers. I see here 2, no 2 in these two boxes. One box left for the 2 should be this one. The 8 and the 7 are left. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. But I know in this row we have 8 in one of those two boxes, so the 8 cannot be here anymore. So this should be a 3 and this should be an 8. One box left in this row for the number 1. Two boxes left in the middle row for the numbers 3 and 6. We have a 3 here, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And then these two numbers, the 1 and the 4 are missing. Can I fill this yet? No, still cannot finish this. How about 6 to 4. The 4 should be here in this row. The 2, 4, 8, 2, 8, 4, and 1 is missing in the first column. Three, 1, 1, 1. Think. Two. Yes. These three numbers in the last column. The missing numbers are the 1, the 2, and the 6. 1, 2, and 6. I see 1 and a 2. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. That means 1 digit left for the 6. 1 and a 2 are left. We have a 2 here. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And the 1 goes there. How about 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 6 is missing. Right. We have a 6 in this row. A 6 in the row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. But I see here 6. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And then 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. 6 and 4. 6 and 4. I mark this. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means one digit left in the last column for the number 3, I believe. Yep, the 3 is missing. These two numbers of this big square for the numbers 4 and 7. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 4 and 7. How about these two numbers in this column for the numbers 1 and 1 and 7. 1 and 7. 1 and 7. These two numbers in this column 1, 2, 3, 7 and 4. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. 7 and 4. We have a match here. 2 boxes with 7 and 4. So these two boxes should be the same. 7 and 4 are missing. So these two should be the 1 and the 2. 1 and the 2 are missing in this row. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. We have a 1 here, so this cannot be anymore a 1. This should be a 7, and this should be a 1. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be a 4, and this should be a 7. We have a 7 here, so this cannot be a 7. This should be a 4. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 1 and 8. 1 and 8. In this column, 3 missing numbers. The 1, the 8, and the 4 are missing. 1, 8, and 4. I see here 8 and a 1. So no 8 and a 1 in this box. 1 digit left for the 4. Here we have 1 and an 8. We have an 8 here, so this should be a 1. This should be an 8. And this should be a 1. Then 1 digit left in this column for the number 7. We have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4. This should be a 6, and this should be a 4. 1 digit left in this row for the number 4. The 2 and the 6 are left. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 7 is missing. Yeah, 7 is missing. 1 number left in this. Oh, we have a 7 here, so this cannot be anymore a 7. This should be an 8. This should be a 7. 1 box left in this column for the number 8. And the final number of this big square for the number 2. Finished in 19 minutes exactly. Wow. For a 4 stars Sudoku within 20 minutes, I'm very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching. We have 2 Sudokus to go. A binary and a tectonic. So see you in a minute. Bye bye for now.